Welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to find contours in an image. What are contours? First, we understand what are contours. Contours are continuous lines or curves that bound or cover the full boundary of an object in an image. Contours are very important in some fields like object detection and shape analysis. Please see the image. These boundary lines are called These green boundary lines are called contours of an image, which we want to find. In OpenCV, we use a find contours method or function to find contours of an image. This function take parameter as original image, retrieval mode, and approximation method, and it returns two variables, contours and hierarchy. Please note that in OpenCV3, find contour function returns a third argument, which is returned. It's mean a boolean indicating if the function was successful run or not. Contours. The syntax of contour function is this: contours, hierarchy is equal to CV2. Call the find contours function and pass our original image, and CV2.retrieve external mean we find two external contours or boundary contours of an image, and CV2.chain underscore approximate underscore none. This function actually return the points of contours. The variable contours are stored as numpy array of x, y points that form the contours, while hierarchy describes the child-parent relationship between contours. For example, contours within contours. Approximation method. Use CV2 chain underscore approx underscore none store all the boundary points, but we don't necessarily need all bounding points. If the points form a straight line, we only need the starting and ending point of the line or contour. Using CV2.chain underscore approxi underscore simple instead only provide the start and the end points of bounding contours, thus resulting in much more efficient storage of contour information. Now we start our code to draw contour of an image. First we import CV2 and second numpy and matplotlib and CV2 underscore imshow function, which is used to draw a function on Google Colab or on the screen. Step 1. Load our original image whose contours are to be extracted. In my case, take a variable image and use cv2.imRead function to read our image name shapes.jpg, which is stored in image folder already uploaded on my Google Drive. Now we show our original image whose contours are to be found, and the plot.axis means we don't need the x scale and y scale. Print image.shape, it's print the shape of our image. Now run the cell and see the result. Okay, this is our image. Our image has three objects, 1, 2 and 3, and this has shape 600 width, 800 height, and has 3 is the color depth. It's mean it is a RGB image. Step 2. Convert above image into grayscale. Please convert an image into grayscale whose contours are to be found. Okay, take a variable image underscore gray and use CV2 color method to convert an RGB image into grayscale image. Pass our original image and then call the CV2 function bgr to gray. This function convert the color image into gray image. Step 3. Find edges of grayscale image. Use canny edge detector. Canny underscore edges cv2.canny pass gray image, and 30 and 200 means its minimum threshold and its maximum thresholds. Okay, it's mean it returns the edges within intensity, which starts from intensity 30s to 200. Okay, now we will go to step 4. In step 4, find contour lines using cv2.findContour method or function. Take two variables, contours and hierarchy, and use cv2.find contours, pass the edges, any edges to find contour functions, and cv2.retrieve external means we want to find or draw external contours of an image, and cv2.chain underscore approximate underscore none. Step 5. Draw all contour on original image. -1 argument means draw all contour lines. Draw is equal to cv2, call draw contour function, pass our original image and contours which have already find in the above line of code. -1 means draw all contours of image, and this is the color of our contours, and 3 is the thickness of our contours. First we print the number of contours. Okay, run the cell and see the result. Okay, our number of contours is equal to 3. It means our find contours method find 3 contours of our original image. Okay, now this code will show our results or output of above code. In the first block of code show our original image underscore gray. Okay, and this block of code show edges of image which we extract from using Kenny edge detector method. Kenny underscore edges, and show contour lines of image, and this block of code shows the image with contours. Okay, run the cell and see the result. Okay, this is our original gray image, and these are the Kenny edge detectors of this image. These are the contours of our image which are drawn around the boundary of our shapes. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.